In this post, we will provide a working and tested Oppo Reno11 FB UFS ISP Pinout, which will be useful to advanced mobile repair technicians. The ISP Pinout is extremely important when performing direct UFS chip programming, bypassing FRP, removing MDM or user lock status, recovering lost data, and repairing dead boot conditions. As mobile technicians or micro-soldering specialists, we encounter devices that are bricked, locked, or not being detected on a PC. In this situation, the ISP connection comes into play, which is connected directly to the UFS chip. In this post, we will present the tested and verified Oppo Reno11F 5G ISP Pinout, what it is, and how to connect and easily do your repair and recovery tasks with it. What is the Oppo Reno11F UFS ISP Pinout? In simple terms, ISP allows you to access the eMMC chip without having to remove it. You simply need to identify the appropriate pinout of the board and utilize a supported UFS eMMC tool, such as UFI, EasyJTag, or Flash64, to attach it directly. ISP pinout is useful when phone is dead, black screen, no boot, no charging. FRP is locked, and you can't use ADB, fastboot, or OTG bypass. You need to dump firmware from a working unit to repair a dead one. You're working on a boot repair or partition restore. Phone is detected as unknown in PC, EDL not working. Oppo Reno11F UFS ISP Pinout image. Here's where things get technical. The Oppo Reno11F shares a hardware layout with several models, but the actual pin locations can vary slightly. You'll find the ISP points near the UFS chip under the metal shield. UFS ISP pin labels you need. SOP, SON, RXOP, ROXON, GND, ground. Connection tips for technicians. Clean all of the pins prior to attempting to attach the ISP wires so that you can consistently have good electrical contact. Use a microscope or magnifying glass in order to have an accurate soldering point and to prevent damage to other tracks or components near the soldering area. Verify the pin configuration from your diagram before proceeding with any of your software actions to eliminate potential communication problems with the hardware. When repairing dead boot problems, especially for devices like the Oppo Reno11F 5G, the Flash64 and UFI box dongles are great for mobile repair. They are important for scenarios where the phone has been incorrectly flashed and does not display the startup logo and is no longer responding to power. Required tools for ISP pinout. Make sure your bench is set up with the right tools before jumping in. UFI box, EasyJTag, or Medusa Pro. 0.1 mm, 0.3 mm jumper wire. Fine tip soldering iron. Isopropyl cleaner, IPA 99%. Soldering flux. Multimeter for checking continuity. How to connect ISP to the eMMC box. Remove the battery from the phone. Extremely important to prevent voltage conflicts. Clean the PC board area using isopropyl alcohol. Connect jumper wires to CLK, TXON, TXOP, GND, and RXON, RXOP with care using solder. Connect the wires to your UFS eMMC tool, following the tool's pinout. Double-check each wire using a multimeter to ensure there are no shorts. Connect to UFI or Flash64. In the UFI or EasyJTag software, select Identify UFS eMMC. Now use the operation you want. User partition, special task, reset FRP. If you have the right connection, you will see the UFS chip information in the tool window.